Departing from the ramp, crossing runway 23. I'll go back. Okay, are we ready?
Yep.
Good, because we're leaving anyway.
Woo! Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Bomb.
Oh yeah.
Here we go. Look at this. This is so cool. Okay, it's not that scary anymore.
Oh my god, how cool is this?
Fun.
How is it not scary? We're flying directly at trees.
Really? I know.
Oh yeah.
Look at
Here
the
we're over the
baseball
FAU campus.
See, Hannah, here's the,
Cool.
The Boca Bowl. This is Dixie Highway below us, the new overpass that you just put in. We got a little bit of haze on the horizon today. You can make out downtown Fort Lauderdale, that clump of buildings on the right.
Wow, look at all the water on the boat.
Right?
Now this is the neighborhood of Lighthouse Point. Here we're coming over the intercoastal proper. You can see some boats coming up and down it.
Yep.
You got the Hillsborough Inlet.
There's the lighthouse, the intercoastal and the beach.
Wow.
There's your lighthouse meeting.
Hillsborough Lighthouse just on the left there.
Right.
As we make our turn around here, now where these white waves are, where the water's breaking, is the reef. As we come over, you should be able to see it pretty clearly.
Yep.
See it?
There,
Yep.
just below us.
Oh,
It's got that nice red color to it.
that fire coral. Nice. Oh, I didn't know you do that. You touch
yeah.
it once, you don't forget.
Yeah, my friend.
There again is the lighthouse just on the point there.
Yeah.
This is the Hillsborough Mile, real nice large mansion. The one
We've
under
driven
construction is the most expensive listing in the United States.
Oh my
my
gosh.
gosh.
Wow.
Yeah, we
We got
have.
the fishing pier sticking out into the water in front of us. A lot of beachgoers today. As we come inland here, there's a white building with the green windows. The short one has rooftop swimming pools on it.
No way.
Oh my god, I've never seen one of
There you
those
go.
except for in movies.
Here we've got Boca Inlet. Leads right into Lake Boca, that square body of water with the boats on it. The big pink tower, pink building with the pink Christmas tree over there. Boca Resort.
Pink Christmas tree. Oh.
Yep, it's behind the building now. There it is.
Oh, I see it, I see it.
Look at that place.
Just off to our left is the Meisner Park. Palm trees running down the middle, the amphitheater at the end there. There you see the runway just to the left with the rest of the airport.
Oh yeah.
You notice we made it kind of look like we're ignoring the runway because we're a helicopter and we're cool like that. Everybody enjoy it?
Yeah,
That was really fun.
Good.
Good.